We are the Group 3 Set A demonstrators. My name is Angelica.
My name is Iradel. My name is Thea.
And my name is Rose Lamay.
I'm Jolissima Loco.
My name is Maribilita.
Our topic is all about crop production. Let's define first what is crop and crop production.
Crop in agriculture, a plant or plant product that can be grown and harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. Crops fall into 6 categories: food crops for human consumption, example wheat and potatoes; feed crops for livestock consumption, example oats and alfalfa; fiber crops for cordage and textiles, example cotton and hemp; oil crops for consumption or industrial uses, example cottonseed and corn; ornamental crops for landscape gardening, example dogwood and azalea; and industrial and secondary crops for various personal and industrial uses, example rubber and tobacco. Crop production and management refers to the growing of crops and providing all the nutrients to the crop plant that are needed and also properly storing them.
This video we are going to demonstrate how to grow a food crop mango tree. Let's go!
So there are 3 well-known variety of mango in the Philippines, and these are the Carabao mango, Pico, and Cachamita, or also known as the Indian mango.
However, Carabao is a dominant variety that is widely grown throughout the country and is the sole exported variety.
It typically takes 2 to 3 years before tree is ready to produce fruit, although some trees can produce sooner.
Mango tree propagation may be accomplished by either planting seeds or through grafting of mango trees. When propagating by seed, trees takes longer to produce fruit and are more difficult to manage than those that have been grafted. Thus, mango tree grafting is the preferred method for propagation.
Grafting of mango trees or other tree is the practice of transferring a piece of mature bearing tree or scion to a separate seedling called rootstock. The scion becomes the canopy of the tree and the rootstock, the lower trunk and the root system. Grafting is not difficult. It provides you to keep a few things in mind. Along using with a healthy rootstock, use only healthy scions or budwood with active buds.
Now let's start off by collecting scion wood. Scion wood is the wood collected from the cultivar you wish to propagate. It is the wood you will graft onto another tree. Wait until the fruit tree enters its dominant season before collecting scion wood from it. The thickness of the scion should be equal to or slightly smaller than the harvested rootstock and should have fresh buds and leaves.
So this is a scion.
Now wrap the scion using a grafting tape. Note that buds at the tip of the shoot are usually flower buds, but those near the base are usually fairly weak. With a knife, make a wedge in the cut end of the scion and slice the bark away along each side to create an angled point. Remember kids, when using sharp objects or materials, make sure to ask help or provision from elders. Cut the chosen rootstock from about 4 inches or 10 cm above the soil. Use a sharp pair of pruning shears or knife. Make the cut level or take care not to damage the stem below the cut. Use a knife to split the remaining stem in half, going from top to bottom. Again, remember to ask help or provision in using the knife. Place the scion wedge into the slot you've cut into rootstock. Be sure they line up. Use a grafting tape to secure the rootstock to the scion. We also have to make sure that your tools are clean to prevent infections and to have a successful grafting. Put a plastic bag over the new graft and tie it off at the bottom to create a warm, humid environment and protect the new graft from the insects and pests.
Remove the bags once the grafted tree has started growing and remove the tape when the tree starts to produce new leaves. Water the grafted tree as you would normally do on a mango sapling. Grafted trees typically begin producing fruit within 3 to 5 years.
The second method of mango propagation we're going to demonstrate is planting mango by seeds. Cut open mango to remove seed. The seed will be inside a husk. Clean the seed husk. Using a pair of strong scissors, such as kitchen shears, carefully cut the edge of the seed husk, allowing you to open the husk and remove the seed. The seed will be slippery, so proceed with caution. Or you can ask your parent in helping you getting the seed. Moisten a paper towel and make sure it is damp throughout but not soaking wet. Wrap the seed in the paper towel. Place the seed in a paper towel inside a plastic bag. And then store the seed in a warm place. Monitor the seed's progress every few days, watching for sprouts. Germination time will depend on the temperature and the mango's ripeness when the seed was extracted. Plant the seed in potting soil, making sure not to cover the new leaves. Now just sit back and watch your mango tree grow. A few days after planting, you should see a set of true leaves showing and significant growth within a week.
So, mayong buntag. So, nalang may question. So, una is, pila ni siya ka hectare ni kaning na diri kamanggahan?
Pili na portion, mga 2 hectares.
2 hectares. So, unsay pinaka-best nga season for planting mangoes?
Tapos, mga month of June, July. Why? Ngano kanang nga bulan nga may pipili. Tungod kay ang season niya tag-ulan. Mas dali mabuhi ang mangga.
Now, how about ang spacing sa mangga?
10 by 10? 10 by 10 meters. 10 by 10. 10 by 10 ang distance. Kaya budako mo siya nga puno. Pero pag budako na siya, kinalang siya pruningan. Eh, yung nanay mo nag-abot pruningan mo ni. Para musunod ang adlaw dito sa punuan. Ang piste, taboy niya kay kita masayag. Ang piste katago sa ngit-ngit na. Ngit-ngit mo na yung manong kinalang siya pruningan siya. Para makaproduce kang daghang.
Agriculture is the heart of our daily life and vital to the economy and society. And farming cannot exist without farmers. Farmers are the backbone of our society. They are the ones who provide us with all the food that we eat. As a result, the entire population of the country depends upon farmers, be it the smallest or the largest country. Because of them only we are to be able to live on the planet. Thus, farmers are the most important people in the world. Though farmers have so much importance, still they do not have the proper living. So, can you imagine your life without farmers? Mga mango girls.